This video will show you how to add and configure a new novel in the Noveledge app. From the Noveledge home screen, tap the Noveledge logo or swipe right to expose the bookshelf. This is where all of your noveling projects are stored. To add a new novel, tap on the button with the plus symbol at the top of the bookshelf. This will add a new blank novel project to your bookshelf, and the new project will be selected automatically. The first thing to do is give your novel a name. To do this, tap on the text above the book cover. The text will become editable, and you can type in your novel's name or working title. Don't worry too much about getting the name right now. You can always change the name later by tapping on the title text. If you already have a cover, or some inspirational cover art, you can set that up by tapping on the book cover. This will allow you to browse through your iPad's photo album and select an image. You can also import images from the web or from Dropbox. Watch the video titled Importing Cover Images to see how to do this. Now you need to configure the settings for this project. Tap on the button in the top right with the gear on it. This will bring up the settings window. This allows you to adjust the settings for the current novel. Each project gets its own settings, so you don't have to worry about messing up the settings for your other existing projects. Leave the font as is for now. You can always come back and change your novel settings later. They're not permanent. Tap on the Target Word Count button. This will allow you to change the target word count for your novel. To adjust the word count, swipe left or right across the red bar. When you reach your desired target, stop swiping. All settings are saved automatically. Now set your target date by tapping on the Target Date button. Swipe left or right across the red bar to adjust the target date. When the settings are configured to your satisfaction, tap anywhere outside the pop-up window to close the window and save your settings. Again, these settings aren't set in stone. You can come back anytime to tweak them. With your new novel set up, it's time to roll up your sleeves and dive in. Tap on the right button to launch the editor. Since your project doesn't have any documents yet, let's add one. Swiping right exposes the project view. At the top of the view is your novel's name, as well as the current word count and your word count target. There are two sections underneath that. The first is labeled Manuscript. This is where you'll place all your documents that are to be included in the novel's manuscript. The second section, Other Docs, is where you'll put all your plot notes, character notes, unplaced scenes, etc. Jump right into your manuscript. Tap the button with the plus sign on the manuscript bar. This will add a new blank document to your manuscript. The new document will be opened in the editor automatically, and you're ready to go. It's very easy to start a new novel in Noveledge. Now get started on that masterpiece. Happy writing!